If you can't visit family this season, what about heading to the mountains?
Now, before you load up your gear and head for a winter vacation, one mountain town mayor wants to remind you it's not going to be the same experience with COVID-19.
We understand that you may be confused and conflicted. Here's the reality at our end.
It's a bit of mixed messaging. Ski hills in the Rockies are open, but both Alberta and BC are discouraging non-essential out-of-town travel, even in your own province. The mayor of Jasper isn't just dealing with a hurting tourism industry, but also one of the highest per capita caseloads of COVID-19 in Alberta.
There has been an outbreak at the hospital itself. The information that we have received from our local hospital is that although they can treat people in the emergency room and on an emergent basis, they cannot admit people.
Saying that those who do go for an adventure, be aware that high-risk activities that could lead to injuries or driving in poor winter conditions could put a strain on the community's health.
You can play it safe yourself. So the jump that you might have taken last year, yeah, maybe this year you won't do that.
And it's not just Jasper impacted. Lake Louise ski community recovering from an outbreak amongst staff, saying all 6 infected have since recovered. And in BC, an outbreak of around 60 cases at Big White resulted in staff being fired for attending a party that goes against health restrictions and a social responsibility contract. Which Mayor Ireland reminds, the mountains aren't exempt from provincial health restrictions like social gatherings and bars being closed.
That would include, of course, in hotel rooms. So a number of people might travel here in separate vehicles and have separate hotel rooms. They have to recognize that they can't all then congregate in one hotel room.
So if you do choose to travel, remember to be kind to those working in a community hit not only by the downturn of tourism, but also by the health impacts of COVID-19. From Edmonton, Carly Robinson, City News.